The camp's been around for 96 years.
Get on! Get on, baby.
Our kids come from all over the world, all over the United States. It's a special place. We've got 180 acres of beautiful property, a mile of lakefront property. Kids come here not so much to get better at tennis or basketball. You know, I want them to come here and learn about life. I want them to go home better sons and daughters, better brothers and sisters.
I started talking with Camp Robin Hood back in November 2022, and once they learned about how much food that they were throwing away, we started discussing Casella offerings to provide them with an outlet for their food waste, so it went to higher and better use instead of going direct to landfill.
These guys are from Casella. They're terrific. You'll see their trucks. They get up every day and they try to make the world a better place.
We are meeting with the kids and talking to them about food waste and food recycling. The camp is invested in a grind to energy system to manage all of the food waste. This is really exciting. This is the first summer camp ever to use the grind to energy technology. Just trying to teach the kids a little bit about that process and why it's so important.
Grind to energy is essentially a table with a very large garbage disposal system attached to it. These tables can handle about 2,000 pounds of food an hour. And what it does is it takes your food scraps and turns it into a slurry, which is then pumped into the tank. Then we pump those tanks and we take that liquid food waste to an anaerobic digester. And from there we capture the methane gas and it gets turned into natural gas that can be used by households.
After the training, people were just like, this is awesome. There's no food that goes to the trash bins anymore. In the prep time, I think people is gonna just be very, very excited about it.
We can really see all around us the impact that it's having. To really be able to be here for the future, I think that it's really important and I'm so excited about what's to come.
By recycling, especially food waste, we're sort of helping a cyclical economy. So all of this carbon that would be lost for the huge masses of food waste in this country, we can put that back into soil and we can make that into energy and really help change the world.
They walk up with their plates and they got smiles on their faces. Plus, it's also a really good lesson for kids who just sit down and the food's thrown in front of them, you know, for kids to see what's wasted and where the waste goes.
And that really aligns with Casella's beliefs and philosophies, which is always trying to find the highest and best use for what you're throwing away.
We work with a lot of communities, with a lot of great customers like Robin Hood. They want us to do this. They want us to come and educate their employees and their customers because really we're all focused on helping them achieve their sustainability goals and helping them solve problems.
We're expecting them to recycle close to 30 tons of recyclable materials, and we're also expecting to capture about 50 tons of food waste just in a roughly 4-month period.
Casella's been incredible to work with. It's been a very good partnership. Economically, it was the right place to go, but I think spiritually and more what we could do together for the country and for the world is more important. We can't agree on which city's got a better baseball team, but we can all agree that we need to pick up the compost and put the paper, do the cardboard. We know when we walk out of that dining hall and the sun's shining and the skies are blue, we're doing our piece to make sure that the next generation gets that done. I hope that the kids go home and take what they've learned here and make the world a better place.